Very good evening to all of you. We have requested you all present here because I wanted to discuss and elaborate the latest lockdown order which has been put in force by Government of Pondicherry. So first of all, this order comes in force from 10th of May, that is tomorrow midnight, and this will be in force till 24th of May midnight. So these are the restrictions. I will go through them one by one. The first is the night curfew, that is the same as before, from 10 PM to 5 AM every day. That still remains in force. All beaches, parks, gardens, cinema theatres, auditoriums, libraries will be closed on all days. No gathering, no congregation of people will be allowed. All government offices except which are dealing with essential services will be open. There are certain activities which are permitted in this lockdown. I will briefly detail these activities. First is provision stores. You all are aware, provision stores, vegetable shops, fruit shops, groceries, meat, fish, they are open, but only till 12. Only till 12 PM these shops would be allowed to be open. After 12, all these shops, that is fruits, vegetables, groceries, essentials, provision stores, they will all be shut down after 12. Shopping complexes and malls as before will not be allowed to open. Now last time there was a bit of confusion on restaurants and some hotels. Restaurants and hotels as per the order are allowed to open, but only for the purpose of takeaways. So if somebody comes, takes the food and goes away, for that purpose restaurants and lodges and these eating places are allowed to open. Otherwise they are not allowed to be open as dining areas. So the people cannot go there, sit and eat. You can take the food and go away. Now dairy, milk supply, hospitals, pharmaceuticals, opticians, medicines, they shall be permitted. These are essential services which are needed. So all these health, medical related services will be permitted to be open, and also dairy supply of milk, dairy and milk supply will also be permitted. Goods transport shall be permitted. Private, government, public passenger transport buses shall not be permitted. This is an important point. I am repeating it again. Point number 4 says that goods transport shall be permitted. Private, government, public passenger will not be permitted. So this is an important point which I want to stress. All religious places of worship will be closed. You all are aware. Marriages has been restricted to 25. Funeral has been restricted to 20 people. So not more than 25 people in marriages, not more than 20 people in funerals. Industries of course are permitted. Ongoing construction works are also permitted. There is one more additional restriction on the opening of banks and insurance companies. They are allowed to be open only till 12. Banks, insurance companies are allowed to be open only till 12. Apart from that, petrol bunks, ATMs are allowed to open. So this is the point. The idea behind this lockdown is to ensure that people do not come out of their houses. They stay indoors, and even if when they are outdoors, they follow social distancing. Of late, what we have been seeing in the district is that many of the cases which are turning positive, they have had a history of travel outside the district for non-essential purposes, even within the district for non-essential purposes. So, these orders clearly say that this type of travel for non-essential purposes meaning purposes which are not mentioned in this order. If you are coming out for milk, essential purpose, but if you are coming out for any other thing, if you are coming out for medicines, okay, that can be permitted, but for non-essential purposes is strictly not allowed. So, I please would again appeal to all the people of Karaikal to not to venture out unnecessarily, stay indoors, follow norms of social distancing everywhere, and stay safe collectively. So, this is the message from my side. I am confident that all of you, all the people of Karaikal will follow these norms, follow these orders, lockdown orders of government of Pondicherry very religiously, and enforcement agencies, police, revenue, LAD have been appropriately briefed on these orders, and enforcement this time will be very strong, and strict action as per DM Act will be taken against the offenders who violate these orders. So, thank you very much.